Hi, hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to Avignak Solutions YouTube channel. This channel is owned by Avignak Corporate Solution. Avignak Corporate Solution primarily focus on NBFCs and housing finance companies compliances for end-to-end. We at Avignak Corporate Solutions provide an expert opinion on every aspect of compliances which is applicable on behalf of RBI and National Housing Bank to NBFCs, middle layer, base layer and all the housing finance companies. I personally thanks Avign Corporate Solution to invite me to provide insightful information on how to affix digital signature on RBI XBRL DNBS returns. Friends, we all knows once we upload the return on RBI XBRL portal, we need to affix the return to make the process complete. This RBI XBRL portal is return applicable to all the NBFCs. Here if I say that all the NBFC means we are not talking about the housing finance company. The housing finance company compliance were quite different. In upcoming video we will let you know. Now today we focus once you upload the returns on RBI XBRL portal, then what? How to affix the digital signature. I received many calls from the many of my friends in across the India relating they are suffering some minor technical issue at the time of affixing the returns. So now in this video we will let you know and we will guide you how to affix a digital signature. So let me present this presentation and explain you how to affix the digital signature. Now the process of filing of DNBS return, every know if you go to my previous video where we have explained what is the process of filing a DNBS return. Now today's video we will see how to affix the digital signature. So we will know how to prepare, just a brief summary on how to prepare a DNBS returns. First, prepare a DNBS return in Excel utility. You will download the RBI XBRL file, then open it, fill the basic detail, and Excel utility is open. Fill the detail from your balance sheet, apart from the balance sheet, and then prepare the return. Then generate the XML file in the return. Then upload the XML file on XBRL portal of RBI. Then affix DSC via digital signing utility. These 4 steps you complete any returns. If I talk, suppose if I say I want to upload DNBS 02, what is the 4 step or what is the step to them? First, I mention this, you have to prepare your Excel utility from your balance sheet, some of the other data, and then from there XML utility was generated, and then upload the XML return, point number 3, and affix a digital signature on point number 4. ये 4 स्टेप्स होते हैं रिटर्न अपलोड करने में. लेट्स सी आफ्टर दैट एक बार आपका रिटर्न अपलोड हो गया ऑन आरबीआई पोर्टल, देन यू गो टू लॉग इन. Once you log in, you see this screen, this entire screen of the XBRL portal. Go to publish filing. Here, go to the publish filing. Then select the return. After that, select the period. Many of people say I file the return today. तो क्या मैं select the return में आज का डेट select करूं या कौन सा? The period for which you have filed. Suppose you have filed DNBS return for the period in March 23. then from date is prior to March 23. तो डीएनबीएस रिटर्न इज एनुअल रिटर्न मींस 1 अप्रैल 2022 से 31 मार्च 2023 तो आपको आएगा। इसी तरह डीएनबीएस 04B जिस वीडियोज में आपको दिख रहा है दिस इज मंथली रिटर्न। आई सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम ओनली, मतलब कहां से देखना है, फ्रॉम 1 नवंबर टू टिल डेट। तो फ्रॉम द 1 नवंबर दे फाइल 2 रिटर्न 30 नवंबर एंड 31 दिसंबर। आफ्टर दैट this process status is the main important. Processing status, once you return uploaded, what is their status? If the status is showing completed, no need to take any action. अगर किसी भी रिटर्न को आपने अपलोड किया और अपलोडिंग के बाद उसका स्टेटस कंप्लीटेड आ रहा है, then you have to no need to do any action on it. But if the return processing status showing pending for digital signature 1, then what to do? Here is the some steps of the processing status. First, you upload the status showing uploading. Then under validation, I received lot of call. My return is still in under validation. उसका कुछ नहीं करना है. It is the system issues. No need to do anything. Just keep eyes on that. Then validation error. Many times you upload the XML, but due to some update in the RBI XML portal, because everything in AI base, you can't derive I have uploaded the uploading was successfully, but still I saw the validation error. If the validation error is come in the processing status, you have to wait few time. Suppose you have to wait at least 24 hours to 48 hours. If still the status is validation error, then take a screenshot, send to DNBS XBRL help desk and RBI for their resolutions. The fourth step is pending for digital signature like this, and the fifth and last step is completed. So in here in video we will let you know how to affix it, what is the steps. After you checking the processing status is pending for digital signature, you have to do just log in and go to verify/register DSC. Click on there, select the return on which you have want to affix the DSC, select the period, and this pop-up is come. So now here on authorized by DSC, you see some the highlighted part. Okay, here you see the highlighted part. Then download this digital sign utility. Click here and you receive this folder type in digital signing. This one software is open. Double click on that software. You get one more pop-up window. Click on generate token. Don't click on validation. Many time I receive the call from many press pan India based and all the thing. The people are saying my digital signing is not unable to open. In that situation, just contact your some hardware solution. There's a zip folder in your PC, in your hardware system. It is corrupted or you unable to extract that file. It is not related to RBI, it is related to your system. Use updated in any window like window 10, window 11 which is having proper zip folder, or download any other software who can extract the file from the zip folder. Click generate token. Once you click the generate token, they ask you very basic one thing. The many people or do some mistake or some error, unknown error on this. They forget to which ID I have to put on user ID. They put a user ID name of digital signature. Suppose the digital signature is name of Jailendra. They put in Jailendra. No, not required. You have to use the ID of the XBRL portal. Means on which portal, on which ID you, suppose if I talk about which portal, this ID welcome, यहाँ पे जो ID आता है आपको वही ID वहाँ पे यूज करनी है. You cannot use any other ID. Suppose my company was registered in Delhi, then my user ID must be start from DEL or any other checker ID. Suppose I checker ID, I prepare XABC underscore 123, that ID. Means you have to use the user ID of the XBRL ID, not the name of the digital signature. Got it? Then select the certificate and any certificate name of that particular person. Now here and again कि सबसे in DNBS return like DNBS 02 or DNBS 01 03 I put the authorized signature of the director. Can I affix the digital signature of the director or somebody else? Yes, you have to affix. In DNBS 10 you have to affix the digital signature of the director because auditor is uploaded. The auditor is uploading the return, but return acceptance is aligned with the company. So primarily if you affix the digital signature of the director in DNBS 10 is good, or the digital signature of auditor in DNBS 2, both is fine. Then after selection of the XBRL that digital signature, click here, select certificate, and then generate a signature file. After generate the signature file, you receive this kind of one file, digital underscore signature dot signature. Means your digital signature certificate is ready. One thing here is very important to note that one signature token is valid for the one file only. Suppose you want to you want to affix a digital signature on 2 to 3 form, then you have to prepare 2 to 3 digital signatures. Mean एक डिजिटल सिग्नेचर एक रिटर्न के लिए ही एप्लीकेबल होता है. Now again login. So here this login portal, this user ID I have talked about, this user ID with the same from where you have to start the returns. The user ID same from which you have generated this DSC. Suppose you generate the DSC from A user ID but login from the B, then you will get an error. Then again after login, go to verify DSC, select the return, select the period, and then select the return, and then click here digital signing. Once you click here, there is one pop-up message you open like this: accept, reject. Suppose you by some mistake you upload a DNBS 02 or DNBS 01, 03, 4A, 4E, whatever returns, but you found that there is some mistake or there is some updates. Now what to do? How to take this? Then again you just select go to digital signature, select the digital signature and select the reject. Form will get reject. Once they reject, you can upload the again. Right here the return is uploaded everything. Now click on the accept, click here, you get this return, browse the file, you browse this pop-up window, select the return, click this return, and then after clicking here open, you get this message: document is digitally signed successfully. मतलब यहाँ पे आपका जो डिजिटल सिग्नेचर था वो प्रॉपरली वो रिटर्न पे लग चुका है. यहाँ पे एक और एरर आता है कि the digital token is already registered. Suppose I am the director in 2 or 3 NBFCs and I have already registered with some other user. Suppose one digital signature in one company into, say for example in Bengal, in Calcutta, their user ID star CAL and 5 time 001234. My digital signature already registered with that user ID CAL 00123. I have another NBFCs, suppose CAL 00546. I have to first deactivate my digital signature from that ID and then register with him. मतलब एक ही डिजिटल आईडी, एक ही डिजिटल सिग्नेचर दो अलग यूजर आईडी पे मैप नहीं हो सकती. राइट. तो बिफोर इफ यू गेट द एरर the token is already registered with some another user ID, first check out where the digital signature is associated, go to the RBI portal, deactivate that user ID digital signature from that ID and then re-register Registration is not required. You have to just affix the DSC signature and it properly map it. After this screen means after this screen, you after getting this document is digitally signed for the purpose of acknowledgement. Many times RBI send an email notification, but many times we do not receive any notification. Then what to do? You just log in on the portal. Okay, log in on the portal, go to publish filing, log in on the portal, go to publish filing, select the return. Now here you see the state, the status, the processing status showing completed. After that you take the screenshot and no need to do anything because keep it for the future record. So follow this entire process, generate the XML digital signature utility, फिर वहां से complete the entire flow, and then once the status showing completed means you no need to take any further actions. Again, I am just presenting here. So based on the just giving a very brief intro on which are the returns is applicable on NBFCs base layer having asset size less than 100 crores. DNBS 02. अब DNBS 02 में what are the information you need to fill? So information of the financial statement means balance sheet, P&L and their schedule. उसके बाद डिटेल्स ऑफ लोन्स एडवांस, अगर आपकी कंपनी लेंडिंग करती है तो लोन्स होंगे, एडवांस लोन्स और एडवांस होंगे. अगर आपकी कंपनी प्योरली इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं तो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की डिटेल होगी. टॉप 25 borrower, टॉप 25 इन्वेस्टमेंट, लिस्ट ऑफ शेयर होल्डर, लिस्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर, ब्रांच एंड एनपीए. Entire this information you have to fill in the DNBS. I have highlighted the main part. I have not highlighted any other whichever. Suppose you are the subsidiary, you are the related party transaction, you have investment in the capital market. So they are all different. You are the rated company and all the things. So that information was also be there. The second part is DNBS 10. That is called the statutory auditor certificate. So detail of the auditor you get from the ADT 1, which is filed in the ROC. Entire information you have to fill. Then the various registration with CKYC, SRSI, FIU, IND, whether you are gold loan, vehicle loan, you are IDFC and all the details. And some of the compliance and the master direction like change of director, change of auditor, change of telephone number, everything, whatever the changes you have. Then detail of the NOF, what is your net owned fund. There is a formula prescribed in the particular Excel sheet. You have to follow that formula. Asset detail, what is your asset. If I talk about the asset, means entire asset. I am not talking about only your loans or investments. Entire asset means fixed asset, working capitals, आपके long term asset, short term asset, current assets, entire thing, cash and bank and all. And the income detail, only P&L का profit वाला जो part है, income from operation. Here lot of people what do the one mistake, and the RBI send a notification or the issue notices that income from FD you will not select in the financial activity. The income from FD, it is under the non-financial activity. After getting the license from the RBI, if you made an investment in a fixed deposit or in any bank, that is considered non-financial activity. So in a income from operation, interest on FD, interest on bank FD will be shown under the non-financial income in the returns, both in DNBS 2, in DNBS 10 also. Now the third return many people are received कि मेरा तो कोई overseas investment है नहीं, मैं ये क्यों form file करूँ, ये तो कुछ नहीं. But this is RBI. I will not talk anything of this. They are the regulators. So DNBS 13 means overseas investment. If your company have made any overseas investment, you have to fill the detail. If your company does not have any overseas investment, then prepare the nil report. It is also the mandatory on quarterly basis. Right. So this entire we have learned in this video how to affix digital signature. on XBRL return, and what are the return applicable to NBFC's base layer having asset size less than 100 crores. So for that you will be in touch. Please share your suggestion, your view on info@theach.in or WhatsApp me on this number. We will check your detail and come back to you, and also let me know what are the next video you want to show, you want to know from our side. Entire NBFCs and HFC compliance we deal in everything. So in meantime, in further video you will receive some more information. So stay tuned on Avigna Solution YouTube channel. For that, thank you so much. Namaskar.